Hi all, Gail Pate from Home and Hearth Real Estate here. In front of one of my listings over at 2103 Parkside Drive. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath colonial. Sits in a great location in Seaford. It's not on the cul-de-sac, but the cul-de-sac is right starting at the side of the house, which is really beautiful. Into this development where the house is, there's no outlet. So once you come in here, it's just absolutely quiet and beautiful. You could actually hear the birds chirping away in the background. So getting back to this house, I'm going to be hosting an open house here on Saturday and Sunday from 10 to 2. The homeowner is also going to be having a huge tag sale. So I want to just give you a little sneak preview of some of the things that will be on the market to sell besides the house. Beautiful furniture. The house is spacious, hardwood floors throughout. It's bright and sunny. It has the south exposure. Nice little pantry. Kitchen, eating kitchen if you want. You could put a little table right over here. And closet to the left. Full bathroom to the right, which is beautiful and new. Very pretty. You could see more of this house on MLS. I do have it listed, and it is available. You could give me a call at 516-770-5216 if you have any questions. You want more information, I'd love to give you the answers. Beautiful wood steps going up to 4 full, beautiful bedrooms, great closets. I'm going to show you the master bedroom first. It's really spacious and big with a walk-in closet. King-size bed. Bright and sunny in here. I have the curtains closed, but it is really very, very bright. Walk-in closet to the left and another closet right there. As we go back to this side, we have full bathroom with jacuzzi. Beautiful. Shower as well. Clean, really, really, really clean. Homeowner is using this bedroom for an office, but it's a great sized bedroom with a spacious closet. And another bedroom over here. And there's going to be one more right to the right of me, but it's kind of packed a little bit, so I'm not going to show you that one. So we'll go back down, and if you have any questions, my friends, my real estate friends or buyers, please give me a call at 516-770-5216. Open house, tag sale. Give us a call. Come visit Saturday and Sunday. Thank you. Have a great day.